Hey tech lovers! Today, we're checking out a new foldable flip phone that could shake up the market. The Motorola Razr 50, also known as the Razr 2024. Unlike most flip phones, this one is more affordable with some fantastic features. But is it the right phone for you? Stay tuned to find out. Let's start with the design. The Razr 50 looks amazing with its big cover screen that stretches almost edge to edge, wrapping around the dual cameras. It's covered in vegan leather, giving it a stylish premium feel. And guess what? This phone folds completely flat with no gaps. Plus, it's water resistant, so you don't have to worry about accidental spills or drops in water. The hinge is smooth, allowing you to prop it open at any angle, perfect for hands-free selfies or video calls. Imagine showing off this beauty at a cafe. Heads are sure to turn. One of the biggest upgrades this year is the cover screen. It's larger at 3.6 inches, giving you more room to check notifications, quick settings, and even use some apps like Google Maps and Gmail right on the front. The main screen inside is 6.9 inches of bright OLED with a 120 Hz refresh rate, making everything look super smooth and vibrant. Sure, there's a small crease, but it's barely noticeable when you're immersed in those stunning visuals. Now, how about performance? The Razr 50 runs on a mid-range MediaTek chipset. It's not the fastest out there, but it's more than capable for daily tasks and helps keep the phone from overheating. And don't worry about battery life. With a 4,200 mAh battery, it lasts almost 12 hours, so you're good to go all day. Charging is quick too, supporting both wired and wireless options. Just note that you'll need to use your own charger this time. Let's talk cameras. The Razr 50 has a 50 megapixel main camera and a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera. The main camera takes sharp and colorful photos, but it can sometimes look a bit too processed. The ultra-wide lens is great for capturing more of the scene, but struggles a bit in low light. For the best selfies, flip the phone closed and use the main camera with the cover screen as your viewfinder. You'll get clear, detailed selfies with vibrant colors, perfect for your Instagram feed. So, is the Motorola Razr 50 for you? If you're looking for a cool, foldable phone with a big cover screen and solid durability, this could be your next favorite gadget. However, if you need a more powerful processor or a better camera, you might want to check out the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 or the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. What are your thoughts on the Razr 50? Would you go for it? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech reviews. That's a wrap on the Motorola Razr 50. If you're excited about what's next in tech, hit like and subscribe. You don't want to miss out. Coming up, we're diving into the top foldable phones of 2024, and you'll be shocked by our findings. Turn on notifications, stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one.